From the first gears and levers to steam engines and early computers, human history has always been intertwined with machines. These early inventions extended our physical abilities and enhanced productivity, but they were purely mechanical, following fixed rules without thought. Over time, machines became more sophisticated, introducing automation, computation, and basic intelligence. Each innovation reflected humanity's desire to create tools that amplify our power and understanding. Yet, these early machines were still extensions of human will, incapable of independent decision-making. The journey from simple mechanisms to thinking systems has been gradual but relentless. Every step in this evolution laid the groundwork for the intelligent systems of today and tomorrow. Early machines executed pre-programmed instructions, never questioning or learning. Modern intelligent systems, however, can observe, adapt, and optimize their behavior based on experience. They absorb data, recognize patterns, and refine their actions over time. Unlike their predecessors, these systems are not limited to human guidance. They learn from the environment, discovering solutions that humans may never anticipate. The transition from obedient tools to self-improving intelligence marks a pivotal moment in technological evolution. Machines are no longer passive. They have begun to think, reason, and even predict. This leap challenges humanity to rethink the very nature of intelligence and the role machines play in society. Imagine machines capable of understanding language, context, and emotion. Cognitive AI can analyze speech, images, and behavior to interact seamlessly with humans. Unlike past systems that only executed tasks, these machines comprehend intent, making collaboration more natural and intuitive. They learn not just through data but through experience, adapting strategies for problem solving. Industries from medicine to finance now rely on cognitive systems to optimize decisions and anticipate outcomes. Human-machine collaboration becomes a partnership where machines contribute insight and humans provide vision. The line between biological and artificial cognition begins to blur, opening new frontiers in understanding intelligence itself. Where early machines simply automated repetitive tasks, modern intelligent systems are achieving autonomy. They can navigate unknown environments, make complex decisions, and execute strategies without human intervention. Autonomous vehicles, drones, and robotic assistants demonstrate how machines move from programmed obedience to independent operation. This shift raises questions about trust, responsibility, and safety. Humans must design oversight mechanisms that guide autonomous systems without stifling their capabilities. As machines gain autonomy, the boundary between tool and partner becomes increasingly complex. The future demands that we embrace this evolution thoughtfully, balancing innovation with caution. Self-improving systems represent the next stage of evolution. Unlike past machines, which required human redesign to advance, modern AI can refine its own algorithms. Each iteration becomes smarter, more efficient, and capable of solving problems beyond its original programming. Recursive learning accelerates innovation exponentially, creating machines that may surpass human expertise in multiple domains. This capability challenges traditional notions of control and oversight. Humans are no longer the sole architects of intelligence. Machines now play an active role in their own evolution. The journey from simple tools to self-enhancing minds is reshaping the technological landscape. Modern intelligent systems mirror human thinking, amplifying strengths and revealing weaknesses. They learn from human data, absorbing both brilliance and bias. Past machines extended our physical abilities. Today's AI extends our cognitive reach. By observing these systems, humans gain insight into their own behavior, decision-making, and creativity. Intelligent machines become both collaborators and mirrors, reflecting the potential and limitations of human intelligence. This interplay challenges society to cultivate responsible development, ensuring AI embodies values aligned with human welfare. The journey of intelligent systems is as much about understanding ourselves as it is about creating technology. Unlike isolated machines of the past, intelligent systems now operate in interconnected networks. Knowledge gained by one system can instantly propagate across the globe, creating collective intelligence. These networks solve problems collectively, from climate modeling to global logistics. Humans must adapt to a reality where decisions are influenced by a planetary mind, not just individual judgment. Networked AI accelerates innovation, prediction, and problem-solving on unprecedented scales. This shift transforms both technology and society, redefining governance, collaboration, and human oversight. The journey from isolated machines to a shared intelligent ecosystem highlights the extraordinary evolution of intelligent systems. Intelligent systems are increasingly capable of surpassing human cognitive limits. They process vast amounts of data, identify patterns invisible to human minds, and make complex predictions. Unlike past machines, which merely extended human effort, these systems expand human understanding and decision-making capacity. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and scientific research benefit from insights that were once unimaginable. While this creates tremendous opportunities, it also introduces risks of over-reliance and ethical dilemmas. Humanity must learn to collaborate with systems that exceed its own cognitive abilities, shaping the trajectory of intelligence responsibly. The evolution of machines challenges us to redefine human potential. As machines become more intelligent, ethical considerations become paramount. Early machines had no moral dimension, they simply obeyed commands. Modern intelligent systems, however, can influence society in ways that demand accountability. Decisions about autonomy, privacy, bias, and responsibility now fall within the purview of AI development. Aligning machine intelligence with human values is not optional, it is essential. The journey from tools to ethical agents requires foresight, regulation, and collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society. Intelligent systems reflect both the promise and the responsibility inherent in advanced technology. Their evolution tests humanity's capacity for wisdom and prudence. With intelligent systems performing tasks once reserved for humans, roles and responsibilities evolve. Jobs transform, and creativity, oversight, and ethical reasoning become central to human contribution. Education must adapt, emphasizing skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. Human purpose shifts from execution to vision, from labor to leadership, from following to guiding. Intelligent systems amplify human potential, but also challenge assumptions about relevance and capability. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for thriving in a world where machines are active participants, not passive tools. The journey of intelligent systems redefines the relationship between human and machine. The most remarkable feature of future machines is collaboration. Intelligent systems do not just act independently. They partner with humans to solve complex problems. Whether designing cities, exploring space, or curing diseases, AI enhances human ingenuity and decision-making. Collaboration transforms intelligence into a shared endeavor where human creativity guides and machine analysis accelerates outcomes. This symbiosis reshapes innovation, culture, and societal growth. The journey of intelligent systems is a story of partnership, demonstrating that the future of intelligence is not human alone nor machine alone, but shared between both. The journey from past machines to future intelligent systems tells a story of human aspiration, innovation, and adaptation. What began as simple tools has evolved into minds capable of learning, reasoning, and collaborating. Machines now extend our physical, cognitive, and ethical capacities. The evolution is continuous. Each generation of systems builds upon the last, shaping a future where intelligence is co-created. Humans must guide this journey with foresight, ethics, and imagination. By understanding the past and embracing the future, we can ensure that intelligent systems become partners in progress rather than unpredictable forces. The journey of intelligent systems is the story of humanity's ambition to create minds beyond its own. Discover the journey from simple tools to intelligent minds shaping our future. Subscribe now to explore how machines are evolving alongside humanity. Join us as we uncover the innovations, challenges, and extraordinary potential ahead. The future of intelligence is here. Be part of it.